Hello, this is how to fix a clicking noise on the steering wheel for Hyundais and Kias. This one is a 2011 Hyundai Sonata. This is the way you fix it. It has 3 screws. It's 1, 2, and 1 on the back. That's the way it looks like. You know, it's the size 30, star 30. And you take that out. Then there is the rubber piece that went bad. I already cleaned it, but this rubber piece is the one that needs to be changed. Then this is a new one from the dealership. It only costs $3 on the Hyundai or Kia dealership. Just put it back over there. Okay, and you just put the screws back. The steering wheel, it can come off very easy. You have to unplug these connections. Have to unplug this one too. This one goes to the to that module, and that's the plug. You have to take that out, and also you have to unplug this other one that goes here on the fuel box. In order, it's only 4 screws that hold the steering wheel. Just this 4 over here. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. You have to remove the covers. That's one cover. That's 1 screw here, another screw. Then it has on the back has these connections, which is this right here. These 3 connections. It has this plate here. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the top of the steering wheel. This is the bottom one. It has 2 screws. So 1 on this side, 1 on the other side, and this is the cover on top of the steering wheel. It only it doesn't have anything. Just pop it out, and that's it. That's the way you fix the clicking noise on the steering wheels for the Hyundai Sonata and Kias.